Welcome traders to my channel. My name is Mark. Today we are going to take a look at the INTU stock. As you can see, this stock dropped significantly after earnings release. And what shall we expect based on the TPO analysis? TPO is time price opportunity. This is the market profile, but instead of volume, we analyze time, how much time is spent for the specific stock at the specific price level. So as you can see, yesterday price was traded whole time in this area between 310 and $305. So this is the area where the price found stability. And why exactly we stopped there? Because we had left here our naked PFC that acted like a magnet where the liquidity came in and buyers step in at the level of $303.75. This is the naked PFC left for us in November 2020. So those levels that we are seeing right now, they actually are left for us more than 6 years ago. More than 5 years ago, yeah, almost 6 years ago. So please be aware that we shall see some stability here, because I believe if the stock market has the relief and the agreement with Iran is present, actually signed, then we will point higher with this stock and come and reach high levels. As you can see, we actually tried to cross the level that was also left for us in November 2020 at the level of $313.80, but we were not able to accept this actually value here and go high. So currently, what can we expect? For now, as I'm recording this video at the pre-market for the USA session, price for the INTU stock is $308.20. Let me show you. The targets for the upside move for the bounce from this huge drop, would be $333.95 and $338.90. Those are local targets that were left for us in November 2020 and May 2022. So those targets should be acting like a magnet for us if you believe that this stock will go higher from those levels that we are seeing right now. I actually think that we will not be dropping so much from these levels, as this is a strong level that should hold us. But if we are dropping, because I don't know, some stress is present for the stock market itself and for the sector, then the next target would be quite lower from here at the level of $268.75. This is the naked POC left for us in June 2020. But this is again, the continuation of the drop shall be present for the stop, because for the stock market downtrend continuation, for example. But we saw that the stock market is still bullish, and I believe that this is the bottom for us. So please be aware of that. And local targets for us would be at least to see the reaction near $333.75, and most probably at the $339 level. And of course, our naked PFC left for us on Wednesday, May 20 of this year, at the level of $385, $86 actually. So keep that in mind and trade safe. Thank you for watching.